Are you living outside of the United States and you want to open a US bank account? Well, in this video, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can achieve this using PaySet. PaySet allows you to open a multi-currency account, which allows you to get a US bank account or even a Great Britain bank account. You can use this account to receive payments and make money transfer. So to get started, hit the link in the description below. It will take you to the PaySet website. Now, once you're there, it's very straightforward. Select Get Started. Here you have the option to sign up with Google or sign up with Apple. Or you can just provide your first name, last name, and an email address. I will be going with my first name, last name, and email address. So now I'm just going to hit register. Provide the 6-digit code that was sent to your email to confirm your email address, and then select verify email. From the drop down, specify your phone. Here you're going to specify your phone number. Now I'm just going to send the verification code to verify my phone number. To get the verification code, just enter it and verify your phone. Now you need to set a password. So I'm going to create my password now to continue. Select your account type, business or personal. It's up to you to decide which type of account you want to open. So I'm going to go with a personal account here. Select your country of citizenship and proceed. Here, just select continue. On this page, you're going to enter your address and then select continue. Complete the general information on this page and then select continue. Here you're going to select the option that is best suited for you. I'm going to select no here and no here. Here I'm going to select continue. Now to complete the onboarding process, you're going to need to provide some additional information. So let's select continue. So once you complete your monthly volume, select continue. Here you're going to select your expected number of transactions. So let's say 3. And these are countries that I had previously selected. And I'm going to select my currency here. So you can add all of them, right? So now you need to select continue. I need to select the volume. So I'm selecting the volume of less than 200,000 euros. And then I'm going to select next. I also need to select the currency as well. So I selected these 3 and I'm going to select continue. Now we're going to proceed to upload documents. So select continue. So here you need to upload a copy of your driver's license and a bank statement or utility bill from the last 3 months. So once you upload all the required documents, select Save. So as part of the onboarding process, they need to complete my identification, right? So they're going to send me a link to price an agreement. So these are what their prices look like. To open an account, £49, monthly fee, £25, right? You can review this whenever you have time. So I'm going to minimize that, agree and complete. Basically, my onboarding process is complete. So I'll await until they get back to me that everything is fine with my account. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.